how you can enable the option of auto scroll on YouTube once your video ends. So first things first, you need to open your YouTube. Now, once your YouTube is opened, you need to go to your profile section, which is on the top right corner. Now, when you go to your profile, you need to go to the option of settings. Now, under settings, you need to select the third option, which is autoplay. Now, please read all the instructions carefully and make sure that the slider next to mobile phone/tablet is turned on. Now, before this, it has been mentioned that when you finish watching one video, another plays automatically. If you want this feature of YouTube to be enabled, make sure you turn on the slider. If not, if you do not want another video to automatically play once the currently watching video ends, then you may simply turn it off. Otherwise, you need to turn it on. So it's that simple in order to autoplay and auto scroll your videos on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Make sure to like and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more updates.